Hello everyone, it's JMini95. I'll be doing an average of 3 on the 3x3 for Camcuber Speedcubing team. So yeah, here we go. I scrambled it using Cube Mania, average of 3. That was a bad solve, but yeah, it's a good time. 17.52. I'll put it on my calculator and this, because this only has averages of 5. Okay, next solve. That was a bad cross. Aha, okay. 17.91. 17.91. Okay, the last solve. You can see my average dropped quite a bit. Okay, let's see. I think this is going to be a bad solve. Bad solve. Not plus 2. 20.74. So I'm going to put it there for my record. 20.74. Okay. All those times divided by 3. My average is 18.723333. Let me write this down somewhere. 18.723. Yeah, so that's my average. I'm sub 20, as you can tell. And thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the F2L video. I don't know when I'll make the next step, but yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.